We are going to look about this relation called air conditioning and refrigeration. So we may have what we call introduction to know very well how it works. First of all, by definition, refrigeration may be defined as process of achieving, maintaining temperature surrounding and being the cold sample space to the required temperature. So refrigeration, it has this meaning. Everyone must know how to work. It takes a process of maintaining temperature. Maybe it can maintain temperature too low or too up. So about air conditioning, refer to the treatment of air so as simultaneously control its temperature, moisture, constant cleanliness, odor, and circulation as required by occupant, process, or product in the space. So here we have what we call air conditioning and refrigeration company. First of all, we have one part called compressor, two parts called condenser, three is compression device, four is evaporator. So here about this compressor, it takes air from outside of building, put it into a house. And condenser is indoor of the house and generates cold air in the house. Compression device that supports our system to provide air, and evaporator also works as the same as facilitate our system to generate good air inside the building. So we have an accessories that is main component which can help our system to work. Even if we can remove these accessories, connection can be done. So accessories, the filter, liquid reservoir, accommodation, spinning place, oil separator. So plus, make sure you have an introduction to this lesson. We are going to come back. So I love you.